Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I am so super excited because I am going to be sharing with you guys a Grove collaborative haul. So I have a huge box here in front of me, and so I'm going to just go ahead and jump right in. But I will also mention, if you are interested in receiving a free introductory gift kit, or like a little starter set, then feel free to check my description box down below, because I will have information there so that you can get your own free supplies. So in my box, I first have these really cute little, these are they are flour sack towels, and they have little spices on it. You can see that there, like thyme and marjoram, tarragon. So these are little towels, so cute. And that was right on top. I guess that was like the free gift. I think this was the free gift. They usually put the free gift right on top. Now, let's get into this, because I got a lot of stuff here. It's springtime. It's time to start spring cleaning. So yeah, let me position this a little bit better. There, I think that's better. Okay, so I have some of my favorites and some new items here. And so this is one that's going to be new for me. This is the granite cleaner. And so I'm going to give this a try, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. I'm planning to do a clean with me video, so I wanted to go ahead and share with you all these items that I have. One thing I will say is I do really like how Grove taped things down so that you don't have spillage and everything is standing up and packed neatly in the box. So this is the daily granite cleaner. So I like that you can clean it daily. So I'm gonna give this a try and let you guys know what I think about it. And this one is, it says Steel for Real. It's by Method, and this is to clean your stainless steel. So my cooktop is stainless steel, so I wanted to get something to try to clean that with. And so again, this is my first time using this one, so I'll let you guys know my thoughts on it when I do my clean with me. And I have here a daily shower cleaner. So I will tell you guys, Grove had a sale going on, and everything was like, I think 40% off or something like that. So that's why I have so many items here. But this is a daily shower cleaner, so I picked this one up. Again, new to me, but I'm gonna give it a try. It says it's non-toxic. It's a non-toxic plant-based with power green technology. Cleans without having to rinse. So that's where you can just spray it down and then go. That's easy. So easy is what I need. Then I have in here, oh, okay, so I bought some laundry detergent, and this is the fragrance booster. So yeah, this is the fragrance ginger mango. So again, this one is new to me, but I'm gonna give it a try. And here's the detergent. No, this is the liquid soap. The liquid soap, and this one, what's the fragrance on this one? This is it's by Method also. And where's the fragrance on here? Oh, Clementine. I'm sorry guys, it was right there in front of me. Clementine is the fragrance. This fragrance had a lot of stars. Like, it had a lot of good reviews on this one. I have not tried it yet. This will be my first time, so I'm excited about that. So this is dish soap. So this is dishwashing soap. I have been buying the just the regular dishwashing liquids, and so I wanted to give this a try since it's a huge one, and I can just refill, you know, the containers that I already have. And I have a dispenser that I've been wanting to use and haven't yet, so that's why I bought this larger one. Okay, here's the other fragrance booster. And this is in the fragrance Beach Sage. So I want to see what they smell like. I have the detergent in these same fragrances. Let's see. Well, definitely smell the sage. It's kind of a minty sage fragrance. I'll have to see if I like that as a detergent, but hey, we'll see. I'll let you guys know what I think. And I'm actually doing laundry now, and I just finished. I'm just about done with our laundry detergent that I usually buy, which is right on time because I'm excited about using this. I will say, guys, so far I think this one smells really pretty. It smells not pretty, but you know, it smells good. Ginger mango. I like this one over the beach sage so far, just in smelling it. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know what I think. Here is the detergent. This is the ginger mango detergent. And this one is the beach sage detergent. They both say, and you guys, again, see how they wrapped everything so nicely? So if there's any spillage, it doesn't spill all over each other. It's sealed here at the top. So let me open this. Okay, so as I'm trying to get this open, and I hope the camera, there we go, we'll go ahead and focus. Okay, this says stains should be scared. Try our new and improved formula. That's what it says here on the bottle. Let me open this. I want to see what this beach sage smell like, since I didn't really, the fragrance booster is just like okay. It's not bad, but it's just okay. Honestly, guys, you know what? This kind of smells like aftershave to me. That's my first impression of it. It smells like aftershave, so I'll give it a try. I'll probably, if I do still feel like it smells like that, then I may have this one for my husband. But we'll see. I'll let you guys know what I think about it. And now I'm opening the ginger mango. I want to see what this one smells like also. They really have it packaged well. And I'm just trying to get into it here. Okay, let's see here. Oh, this one still smells like my favorite. I like this one a lot. Especially for springtime. It has a really like fresh floral scent to it, if that makes any sense. Fresh and floral scent. With the mango, you would think it smells kind of fruity, but if you've smelt mango before, like in a grocery store, it really doesn't have like a real sweet fragrance to it. It's like a distinctive kind of smell, and I can definitely smell the mango in here. Ginger, I don't think really has that much of a smell, but yeah, I like this one. I like this one a lot. So if all else fails, the sage, the beach sage would be for my husband, and the ginger mango would be for me and my little guy, if we need to, but I might like them both. Okay, so this is another daily shower cleaner. I got 2 of those. And what do we have here? This is the Method fabric softener. Again, in the same fragrances, beach, what does it say? Beach sage, and then the ginger mango fabric softener that I got there. And guys, I have to say again, like I said, these were, so one tip, if you're gonna purchase items from Grove, I would say try to become the VIP member, because all of your shipping is free. And you see all this stuff I have, it would be extremely expensive if I were paying for shipping for all this heavy stuff. So free shipping, and if you spend, I think, over $50, then you get a free gift. And then if I always get a free gift in every time that I've gotten anything. So you definitely get free gifts. And then you find out about different promotions. And like I said, then you can get, like I found out about the 40% off promotion that they were running. So that's why I got so much stuff. Normally I probably wouldn't have gotten items, especially that I haven't used before, if they weren't already on sale. But because they were on sale, I was willing to just give it a try and give it a go. And then number 2 is, if you place an order and you realize that you didn't want to, Grove is really, they have excellent, I mean superb customer service, and they will be happy to, you know, cancel that order for you with no problem. So this is the mango and ginger fabric softener. Yeah, it smells good. This is, you know what, I'm so excited to use this. So excited. And then of course, because I got the detergent, the fabric softener, and the boosters, the fragrance boosters, of course I got the fabric sheets as well. Now, you know, some people may not use fabric softener and fabric sheets. I don't know. Let me see if I can get this to focus. But I like to use fabric sheets also. So I have both fragrances of fabric sheets. And with this purchase, I also got this free little red caddy. I thought this was so cute. So this is going to be not only perfect for spring, because I could totally use it for spring, but we have the summer coming up, 4th of July. So there are so many ways that I could use this cute little tub. And so, yeah, so cute. And it just says Grove Collaborative on the front of it. Okay, guys. Actually, I think that is it. Yeah, that is it for this haul. And so be sure to come back, because I will be having a clean with me coming up very soon, a spring clean with me. So yeah, if you guys are interested, be sure to come back. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. So happy to have you here. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and you will go ahead and click the subscribe button. And also be sure to hit the notification bell so you'll receive alerts as to when I upload new videos, right? And for my faithful family members, I love you guys so, so much. And I look forward to seeing all of you in the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.